The 2026 Vauxhall Corsa brings vibrant style and innovation to your daily drive. With Intelli LED headlights for enhanced nighttime clarity and a tire deflation detection system for added safety, this car is designed to elevate your journeys while ensuring peace of mind on every road. Step inside to discover wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity, plus electronic climate control for personalized comfort. Call or visit Hendy Car Store Exeter today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 Vauxhall Corsa. Speak to our team about paint protection, tire and wheel protection, and cosmetic repairs for complete peace of mind.